What is up, people? Your onion crawlers coming at you again. Sorry for the lull in the content. Been busy. I've been having back issues. Yeah, well, that's compliments on Uncle Sam. Heard my back in boot camp, so yeah. Older I get, worse it gets. You know the deal. Well, here, tonight's beer is Coors Light. That's what they had around here. I gotta go to different places to get the cheaper beer. But we had the Tecate, and yeah, that's all gone. That was only a 4 pack anyway. But here is the next thing that I want to restore. Things. I have four things actually. It's not all iron. And we're going to show you here just in a sec. Check it out. Alright, so we got these old clothes irons. I don't even know how old these are. They're well over 100 years old. I, at least I don't know how old they are, but these two are probably older than these. And this handle actually comes off and will fit on this one, just like that. Check that out. But we're going to. Oh, we're really zoomed in. But we are going to restore the wood on this little handle here and this wood handle here. So we're going to take all of this off, clean this up, paint it, and then we're going to fire these up just like we do pans. This one, I don't know. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. I don't know. It's got the screws in them, so I don't know. Well, I'm going to try to fire them up and see what happens. And I'm going to sand all the wood down on here and restain it, make it look nice. And if nothing else, these two, one of these four is going to become a bacon press. So let me know what you think, and can't wait to get them done. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, give me some more likes and more viewers. That'll be great. If not, it is what it is. But hey, until next time, salute.